Welcome back to PRIDEFIT. Today I'm going to be taking you through an upper body resistance band workout. So I got these resistance bands from Sports Research on Amazon for like 20 bucks or something. I don't use them all the time. I use them for a lot of prehab and rehab, but I also use them when I'm on the road or in the hotel room. So I would definitely suggest picking up a pair of these resistance bands that have a bunch of different levels of resistance. I'm going to be using the medium resistance band today. I would suggest using a light to medium, and then the next time you do this video, you can go up to maybe medium to heavy and kind of work your way up that way. Let's hop right into it. For this first movement, we're going to be doing 10 bicep curls. So I want you to put your hands through that resistance band, roll those shoulders down and back, puff out your chest, and from here, I want you to keep those elbows glued to your side. Pull that band apart, bicep curl up, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, really pull apart, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Next movement, we're gonna go into some bent over rows. So rather than having your hands through the band, you're actually only gonna have your thumbs through the band this time. So we're gonna be pulling apart. So from here, we are going to soften our knees, send our hips back, make sure our shoulders are down and back, puff out that chest. You're gonna think about those elbows going back and rowing that band up to your belly button. So it'll look like this. Really squeezing your back muscles. We're gonna do 10 of them. Here we go. Soften the knees, send the hips back, and up. 1, 2, really pull apart on that band. 3, 4, make sure those shoulders are down and back. 5, we don't want them coming up to our ears. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Next movement, we are gonna go back to those hands being inside of the band. Again, roll those shoulders down and back, puff out that chest, keep those elbows glued to your sides. We're gonna do some band pull aparts here. So puff out that chest, pull that band apart. That's 1, 2, 3, really good for your shoulders. 4, 5, nice and controlled. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Going down onto the floor for some banded floor press. Knees are up, thumbs through that band, puff out that chest, and let's go down. That's 1, really pull apart on that band. That's gonna be the hard part, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, make sure your shoulders are down and back, puff out that chest. 7, maybe? 8, 9, and 10. Whew. And our last movement today, we're gonna be doing some pull-ups. So you're gonna have your thumbs on the inside of that band again. Move back. Arms are completely out straight over your head. From here, you're gonna pull apart on that band, and you're gonna pretend that you're doing a pull-up. So pretend that you're holding onto a bar right now. Pull yourself up. 1, 2, 3, notice I'm puffing out my chest. It's a common theme, right? 4, really use those back muscles. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good, 1 minute of rest. So you'll notice on these exercises, the biggest goal, right, is to make sure that our shoulders are down and back. We're puffing out our chest. We're isolating that movement, pulling apart on that band as much as possible. Again, you're only gonna get as much out of this workout as you put into it. So we have to really be focusing on holding ourselves accountable to really driving that band apart, otherwise you're not gonna get anything out of it. If you don't feel it, that's because you're not pulling that band apart, right? I actually didn't set a timer, so we'll just go in like 20 seconds or so. Just one more round. Let's get ready for those bicep curls. Thumbs in, shoulders down and back, chest out. Pull that band apart. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, really isolate the movement. 4, nice and controlled. 5, slow and steady. 6, 7, 8, breathe. 9, and 10. Bent over rows. Here we go. Soften the knees and the hips back. Shoulders down and back. And up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try not to let those traps get involved. 5. Rowing to your belly button, not too high. 6. Pull apart on that band. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Whew. Band pull aparts. Roll those shoulders down and back, puff out that chest. Elbows glued to your sides. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, burns, 9, and 10. Whew, floor press, 2 more movements, let's do it. Puff out that chest. Make sure you have a slight arch in your lower back. Drive those heels into the ground. Elbows go down at a 45-degree angle. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Whew. Upper body is burning right now. Okay, last movement, we just have those pull-ups. Let's make every single rep count. Here we go. Overhead, pull that band apart. 1, ooh, my upper back is feeling it. 2, just like a pull-up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, one more. And 10. Such good work today. Thank you so much for doing this upper body resistance band workout with me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave me a comment below. And if you liked this workout, make sure to check out PRIDEFIT, which is my online training program. You can go to www.pridefit.com to check out our 7-day free trial, no strings attached, see if it's right for you. It's a combination of strength, HIIT, cardio, balance, flexibility. We combine all of that into one program with an amazing community. So if you're interested, definitely check that out at pridefit.com and try our 7-day free trial. I'll see you next time.